Welcome back to Sector Watch, a weekly rundown of one of the biggest narratives across crypto sectors. All three spotlight sectors, DeFi, Layer 2s and real-world assets are up 26 to 27% over the past 30 days, signaling broad-based and despite a cooling rally in August. What's the macro overview in markets? Regulatory clarity gains momentum. The Trump administration framework may shift spot market oversight to CFTC, while the SEC's Project Crypto promises more flexible rules for DeFi and token issuance. Rates held steady, markets await Powell Jackson's whole speech for hints on potential rate cuts and liquidity shifts. TradFi embraces crypto, enforcement teases on Coinbase, Kraken, and major banks expand stablecoin servicing, normalizing digital assets. We've seen market movers, XRP breaks above $3 on SEC optimism, Bitcoin reclaims $115,000, and Trump media discloses $2 billion in Bitcoin. Solana plunges 10% after a whale-triggered squeeze. The first sector we've got is decentralized finance or DeFi. The market cap sits at $147 billion. The 24-hour volume is $26.82 billion trading volume, and in the last 7 days, it's been down by 0.2%. The total value lock sits at $141 billion. So let's look at the narrative highlights. We've got private AMM dominance. 46% of Jupiter's volume flows to private AMM, shifting billions in liquidity of public pools. We've seen staking clarity from the SEC. It confirms liquid staking isn't a securities offering, reducing uncertainty for ETH and Solana restaking protocols. We've seen on-chain equities data, Chainlink's data streams deliver real-time US equities and ETF prices across 37 chains, now also powering GMX and Camino. We've got top weekly gainers. Number one in DeFi, we've got DEXE, which is up by 13.8% as an on-chain social trading volume spikes. We've seen Fluid, which is up by 12.3%, and then we've got Maple Finance or Syrup, which is up by 8.4% on the week on the renewed demand for tokenized yield markets. What's the summary for DeFi? DeFi sees a structural pivot. Private AMMs accelerate off-chain liquidity, staking services earn a regulatory green light, and market data oracles onboard TradFi. Next sector we've got is Layer 2s. Its market cap sits at $16.51 billion. The 24 volume is 1.86%, and the last 7 days it's up by 4.5%. The sector has been performing quite well lately, and Mantle leads the charge. We've done a coin check episode on that on Wednesday, so go check that out. It is up 22.2% as retail flows rotate into high throughput rollups. We've seen institutional ETH accumulation. Corporates hold 966,000 Ethereum worth $3.5 billion, underscoring confidence in L2 scalability. We've seen modular scalability, optimism, Arbitrum, and Mantle see rising total value locked as developers prioritize low fees and fast finality. Top weekly gainers that we've got in Layer 2s, we've got Mantle, which is up 22.2%. Then we've got Polygon, which was previously known as Matic. It is up by 7.3%. And then we've got Zora, which is up by 2.1%, which became famous after the whole Coinbase thing. Summary on L2s would be L2's rally on performance upgrades, institutional ETH buys, and growing dev activity, cementing long-term scalability. Last but not the least, we've got real-world assets. The market cap sits at $49.65 billion. In the last 24 hours, we've seen $2 billion worth of trading volume, and the 7-day performance, it's up by 2.2%. What's the narrative highlights? First, we've seen loyalty incentives. WLFI, World Liberty Financial, teases USD1 stablecoin rewards aiming to drive user retention. Strategic funding, Bitcoin DeFi startup BOB raises $21 million with Castle Island and Anchorage, building RWA bridges. We've seen clear licensing. Hong Kong's new stablecoin ordinance paves regulatory pathways for onshore issuers. Top weekly gainers in RWA, we've got Tharwa TRWA, which is up by 19.5%. Again, Syrup comes in RWA as well, so it's up by 8.4%. And then we've got Mantra Om, which is up by 7%. Too long didn't read. RWAs advance on user incentives, high-profile fundraising, and robust legal frameworks unlocking token issuance. So what's the sector summary? Innovation and legitimacy are converging across crypto's major verticals. DeFi's liquidity models are evolving off-chain. Layer 2 networks are solidifying Ethereum scalability thesis, and RWAs are bridging traditional finance with on-chain assets via rewards program, fundraisers, and clearer regulations. Together, they fueled a synchronized 26 to 27% lift in the last month in all the three sectors and set the stage for sustainable sectoral rotation ahead. So that's it for today's Sector Watch. Thank you for watching T.TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated with the latest news and developments happening in the Web3 space. I'll see you guys again on Sector Watch on Friday, and goodbye for now. Happy weekend.